wala akong ano eh. Tinatamad ako mag-cut ng ibang
Di ba yung ano, tapos mo yung Antonio Banderas? Yun yun, yung kinakanta niya, di ba?
Sige nga.
Niya ako.
iyo. Meron pa doon na eh.
Ito na lang.
Vlog-vlog ko. Eh, ginagawa properly eh, Margaret.
Ano lang? I can tell by your eyes that you're probably been crying forever.
Margaret, nakadalba ka ng lollipop ha?
And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. I don't wanna talk about it. How you broke my heart. If I stay just a little bit longer, if I stay, won't you listen to my heart?
Margaret, kapi lang aba.
Oh, my heart. Yeah.